Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good with everything. Welcome to another video from Pearson Solutions. This time it's of Exp22 DSP Excel Business project. So this is the project description. You are the Assistant Director of Accounting and Finance Department at Healthy Living Motorcycle Corporation. In addition to ensuring all daily business transactions are completed accurately, you also play a role in assembling the annual financial reports. Currently, you are responsible for putting together the financial statements. This is what we need to do to the upcoming annual stockholders meeting. So let's start Excel, download and open the file. Name this one. I already downloaded this file and you have to download it from your portal. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. So this is the file and we have to enable the content, enable the editing from here. So step number 2 is rename the first worksheet to selling and agent expenses. So we have to put this as the name of our first worksheet, selling and admin expenses. Okay, this is written in short form and we have to write it in full form. So, and change the worksheet tab color to red. We have to change the tab color from here. Right click and this is the second one in the standard color. So this is how to change the tab color. Step number 2 is done. Now we are moving on to the step number 3. It is saying that you have to insert a blank row below the total selling expense, below row 10. So we have to insert a blank row below row 10 and below the total administrative expense. We have to insert two blank rows, first below the row 10 and second below the row 17. So this is row 10 and we have to insert the blank row here. Just right click the row number 11 and click insert. This is how to insert the blank row below row 10 and below row 17. So this is the row 17, total administrative expense, and we have to insert the row here. This is how to do this step. Step number 3 is done. It is so step number 4 is, let's zoom it later so we can read it clearly. Use an appropriate date function in cell A29 to display the today's date in your worksheet. In cell, we have to insert the date function in cell A29. So this is cell A29 and we have to insert the today's function. Just close the bracket and hit enter button. This is how to insert the date. Use the short date format. How to change the format? Click cell A29 and then come to the home tab in the numbers group. Click the down arrow and change the date from that format to that short date format. This is how to do this step. It was already in the short date format. And apply bold. We have to bold this. You can use the shortcut like Ctrl B and also you can bold it from here. So this is how to do this. Next, it is saying that you have to apply bold to the labels in cell B29. First of all, in cell B21, sorry. This is B21. We have to apply bold. And the range A22 to A27. We have to select this range, and then we have to apply the bold, Control B. This is how to do this step. So this is step number 4 of our assignment. Next it is saying that you have to, step number 5 is create a footer with your full name on the left side. Okay, come to the page layout tab, margins, custom margin, header and footer group, and custom footer. Okay, with your full name on the left side. Like my name is, like name of my student is Basil Siddiqui. Okay, you have to write your name here. You have to write your own name in the left section of the custom footer. Sheet name code in the center. This is the center section, and you have to insert the sheet name from here, and the file name on the right section. This is how to insert the file name, and hit the OK 2 times. So footer is inserted on our selling and agent expenses worksheet. Next step is, it is saying that you have to insert this image into the merged range A1 to A3. Where is A1? A1 to A3. It's already merged. If it is not, then we have to merge this range from A1 to A3. We have to merge this, and we have to insert this image in this range. Hit that range, click insert. In the illustration group, click the down arrow, then picture, place in this device. Okay, from this device you can, where it is located, illustration group, pictures, place in this device, from this device. Okay, just moving on to the play, hit the desktop button, and then hit the that image 0 to E image 1. This is the image that we have to insert here, and that just click the insert button. So the image is inserted in this merged range, and it is saying that you have to adjust the height of image to 1. Okay, how to adjust the height? So we have to change the height, like you have to change the height from here. This is the picture format, height to 1, and center it in the cell. Okay, we have to change the height from here. This is how to change the height, and center it in the cell. Control E. So step number 6 is also completed. Now we are moving on to the step number 7. It is saying that merge center and apply heading 1 style to the B1 to G1. Where is B1? This is B1. We have to select from B1 to G1. Merge and center. This is how to merge and center. And then apply the heading 1 cell style. Okay, we will apply the heading 1 cell style. We have to apply the heading 1 cell style from here. This is how to apply the heading 1 cell style in the merged range. Select the gold accent 4 darker 50% font color. Gold accent 4 darker 50%, darker 25, and this is darker 50%. This is the font color that we have to apply. And then apply the gold accent 4 lighter 80% fill color. First of all, we have changed the font color, and then we have to, now we have to change the fill color. Gold accent 4 lighter 80%. Gold accent 4 This is gold SN4 lighter 80%. This is how to change the font color, apply the heading cell style, margin center, and apply the fill color. Next step is step number 8. It is saying merge and center and apply heading to cell style to this B2 to G2. We have to do the same thing, almost same thing. This is B2, B2 to G2, merge and center, apply the heading to cell style. This is heading to cell style. I have applied. Select gold accent 1 darker 25% font color. Gold accent 4 darker 25% font color, and then gold accent 4 lighter 60% fill color. This is the fill color. Gold accent 4 lighter gold accent 4 lighter 60%. There we go. This is how to do these two steps. Have I applied the heading 2? Yes, I have applied the heading 2. So step number 9 is we have to merge, and it is almost a similar step like the 7 and 8, step number 7 and 8. We have to merge and center heading 3 to the range B3 to G3. This is B3 to G3, select this range, merge and center, then heading 3, this is heading 3 cell style, and then select the gold accent 4 darker 50% font color, gold accent 4 darker 50% font color, and then we have to apply gold accent 4 lighter 40% fill color. Gold accent 4 lighter 40%, I think it's lighter 40%, yes. This is the fill color. We have to apply this fill color. So you can see that this fill color is different, this one is different, this one is different, this font color is different, this font color is different, and this one is also different. So we have applied 3 different cell styles, 3 different fill color, and 3 different font color in these 3 steps, step number 7, 8, and step number 9. With this, our step number 9 is also completed. Now we are moving on to the step number 10 of our assignment. It is saying that apply heading to cell style to the cells A10 to A10 and A17. Heading to cell styles to 2 cells A10 and A17. This is A10, heading to cell style. We have to apply heading 2. Okay. A17, A10 and A17. We have to apply the heading 2 cell style also here. Okay. So we have applied the required heading style to A17 and A10. Select both of these two. And it is saying that you have to indent both heading 3 times. So we have to indent these headings 3 times. Okay. Select this one, A10 and A17, and then indent from here. We have to increase the indent 1, 2, and 3. We have to increase the indent 3 times. So we have increased, and it is shifted from left to the right side of the cell. This is how to increase the indent, and this is how it works. Okay. So step number 11 is that it is saying that you have to auto sum for the year 2021 to find the total selling expense in B10 and total administrative expense in B17. Auto sum for the year 2021. This is year 2021. This is A10 and this is A17. How to do this step, I will show you the shortcut. Like I will apply the shortcut here. I will select both of these 2 cells, A10 and A17 I will go to the home tab, then under the editing group click the down arrow and then just click the sum button and it will be calculated. So the total selling expense and total administrative expense in cell A10, in cell B10 and B17 is calculated in the year 2021. So this is how to do this step. It is saying that you have to fill the handle to copy the function across, completing the range B10 to G10 and B17 to G17. B10 to G10. This is how to fill this formula from B10 to G10 and B17 to G17. There we go. With this, our step number 11 is also completed. Now we are moving on to the step number 12. Okay, what it is saying, I have shown you 11 steps of this project. If you want me to complete this project for you, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email. I will do this project for you at very fine cost. Now I will show you the completed version of this assignment. I will upload it to the portal of one of my students and you will see the grades. So let's wait for the. So this is the final version of our assignment. This is how your assignments should look like. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 worksheets. So we must have 5 worksheets to ensure that our assignment is complete from first step to the step number 28. So this is the project. I'm done with this project. Now I will upload it to the one of my students portal. So this is we have to upload the file here. This is the project and just upload it. So I'm going to upload this file. You will now see the grades. If you want me to generate the best grades like these, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email. I'm here to help you. Now just look at the. So these are the grades, like 98.3%. So these are A plus. If you want me to get these grades for you, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email. I would recommend to contact me on WhatsApp so we can call each other. You can call me whenever you need help in this subject or any other subject if you want. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends to get help so they can get the benefit of this channel. Thank you so much.